5 online jobs that pay $15 per hour or more in 2024, Part 2. Here's a wild stat. Since 2020, remote and online job postings have jumped by over 40%. Companies everywhere are hiring for flexible roles, with many paying $15 an hour or more, and you don't need a degree or tons of experience to get started. If you've been searching for a way to make money from home, then this is your chance to jump in. My name is Olu, and in today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 online jobs that can help you join this growing trend. First, I'll break down each job, including what you actually do and the key skills you'll need to get started. Then I'll walk you through actionable steps for finding these gigs on trusted platforms and tips from influencers who've turned these side hustles into full-time careers. Finally, stick around for my bonus tips on combining roles to create a steady income that'll have you calling the shots. Ready? Let's get started. Point 1, customer service representative. If you're a people person and don't mind solving problems, customer service can be a fantastic remote job. Many companies are hiring remote customer service reps to handle inquiries and resolve customer issues. Best part? All you need is a good internet connection and a knack for communication. Customer service reps provide support for companies by answering questions, troubleshooting problems, and making customers feel heard. It's a flexible job, and many companies offer shifts around the clock so that it can fit any schedule. Customer service jobs pay around $17 an hour on average, with some companies offering higher rates for more technical support roles. For this role, you'll need strong communication skills, empathy, and a talent for problem solving. Experience in retail or previous customer-facing roles can be helpful, but it's not always necessary. Some top companies for remote customer service jobs include 1. Apple. Sign up. Visit jobs.apple.com, where they frequently post customer service roles. Flexibility. Apple's at-home advisor positions allow you to work from anywhere while providing top-notch customer support. 2. American Express. Sign up. Check the career section on americanexpress.com for customer service positions. Great benefits. Amex offers competitive pay and benefits, making it a great option for those looking for stability. Here are a few folks who've done well in this space. 1. Tiffany Dodson. Tiffany built her remote customer service job into a full-time gig, earning around $35,000 in 2020 annually through Apple's at-home advisor program. 2. John Coyle. John worked his way up in customer support and earned $50,000 in 2022 with added responsibilities in technical support at American Express. Here's how you can land a customer service job. Step 1. Apply on Apple or Amex's career sites. Step 2. Tailor your resume to highlight any customer service experience, if you have it. Step 3. Practice answering customer inquiries in a professional yet friendly tone. This will help in interviews. Step 4. Once hired, be ready to adapt to different types of customers. Handling various personalities is key. Customer service roles are in high demand, especially as companies move online. If you're ready to put your people skills to use, this job could be perfect for you. Point 2. Proofreading and editing. If you have an eye for detail and love catching typos, proofreading and editing can be a lucrative online gig. It's a deal for anyone who's naturally meticulous about grammar and flow. Proofreaders and editors review written content, fixing grammar, spelling, and style. They often polish articles, reports, and other documents to make sure everything reads smoothly. Proofreading and editing gigs typically pay $15, $25 per hour. But with experience, you can charge higher rates, especially for specialized content. You'll need attention to detail, grammar skills, and familiarity with style guides. If you've always found yourself spotting errors in everyday writing, this job could be a natural fit. Some great platforms to find proofreading jobs include 1. Proofreading Pal. Sign up. Head to proofreadingpal.com to create an account. Review projects. Proofreading Pal offers a range of projects, making it easy for beginners to get experience. 2. Upwork. Sign up. Create a profile on Upwork.com. Wide range of projects. Upwork has a variety of proofreading jobs, from blogs to academic papers. Some successful proofreaders include 1. Caitlin Pyle. Caitlin made $43,000 in 2014, freelancing as a proofreader, later turning her expertise into a full-time income through courses. 2. Alexis Grant. Alexis transitioned from journalism to freelance editing, earning $2,000 monthly in 2021 through a mix of clients on Upwork and Fiverr. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Create profiles on Proofreading Pal or Upwork. Step 2. List any relevant experience like editing for school papers or volunteer projects. Step 3. Take on beginner projects to build your portfolio. Step 4. Collect client feedback. It's valuable for attracting future clients. Proofreading is a fantastic way to earn money if you have a knack for spotting errors. Whether part-time or full-time, this job could be the perfect match for detail lovers. Point 3. Transcription. Transcription can be a fantastic online job option if you're a fast typist with a keen ear. Transcriptionists convert audio files into written text. Plus, you can do this job anytime, anywhere. Transcriptionists listen to audio files, think interviews, meetings, or lectures, and type out exactly what they hear. The job requires precision, as accuracy is key, especially if you're working with specialized fields like legal or medical transcription. Transcriptionists typically earn $15 to $20 an hour starting out. With experience and specialization, earnings can rise, especially in niches like legal transcription. For transcription, you'll need strong typing speed, accuracy, and attention to detail. Some platforms also look for people who can handle fast-paced audio, so being comfortable with technology is a plus. You can get started with transcription on 1. Rev. Sign up. Head to rev.com to create a profile. Beginner-friendly. Rev offers lots of work for beginners and regular opportunities to take on new projects. 2. Scribey. Sign up. Visit scribey.com and follow their easy application process. Flexible schedule. Scribey allows you to work at your own pace with no minimum hours. Check out some transcription success stories. 1. Sarah Marie Hall. Sarah turned transcription into a side gig on Rev, making $1,200 monthly in 2020 within a few months of starting. 2. Ben Walker. Ben transitioned from transcription to owning his own company, earning up to $3,000 in 2022 monthly through advanced legal transcription work. Here's your roadmap to transcription. Step 1. Create profiles on Rev and Scribey. Step 2. Complete their typing tests. This helps them assess your accuracy and speed. Step 3. Start with general projects, then specialize if you prefer a specific niche, like medical or legal. Step 4. Keep your ratings high by delivering accurate work, which can open doors to better paying gigs. Transcription is flexible and in demand. It's an ideal role for fast typists who want to work on their own time while earning solid pay. Point 4. Graphic design. Got a creative eye? Graphic design can be a rewarding online job. You can design everything from social media graphics to company logos, all while working remotely. Graphic designers create visual content for clients, from social media posts to logos. The role is a great blend of creativity and functionality, with opportunities to work with brands or individuals on exciting projects. Graphic designers generally earn $20 to $50 an hour, and experienced designers can charge much more, especially if they have a strong portfolio. To succeed, you'll need a good design sense, knowledge of software like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, and an eye for detail. As you gain experience, you can also specialize in branding or UX/UI design. Two great places to build a graphic design career are 1. Fiverr. Sign up. Go to fiverr.com and set up your profile as a designer. Portfolio building. Fiverr lets you showcase your work and get small gigs to build up your experience. 2. Dribbble. Sign up. Dribbble.com offers exposure to potential clients. Community-based. Dribbble allows designers to post work and get feedback, making it a great place to grow. Here's a look at some designers who've found success online. 1. Chris Du. Chris Du's design work has led to $100,000 plus annually in 2021 through client work and teaching design. 2. Lauren Hom. Lauren built a successful freelance design career, making $75,000 in 2020 by working with brands and developing courses. Here's your guide to starting as a designer. Step 1. Set up profiles on Fiverr and Dribbble. Step 2. Use Canva or Adobe Photoshop to create samples and showcase your style. Step 3. Offer discounted services to build a portfolio and gather testimonials. Step 4. Promote your work on social media and update your portfolio regularly. Graphic design is a creative job with real earning potential. Whether you're designing social media graphics or logos, this field lets you turn ideas into reality. Point 5. Online moderator. Last but not least, online moderation. This role involves managing and overseeing community interactions on forums, social media, or gaming platforms, and is ideal for anyone who loves social media. Moderators enforce community rules, handle spam, and resolve disputes. It's a great fit if you're familiar with social media and enjoy maintaining a positive online environment. Online moderators earn about $15 an hour, but those managing larger communities or forums may earn more. You'll need an understanding of social media, customer service skills, and patience. Many moderators specialize in particular niches, like gaming or tech communities. Top platforms for online moderators include 1. eModeration, sign up. Visit eModeration.com to apply for open positions. Niche-specific roles, moderation allows moderators to work in various fields, like tech or gaming. 2. Crisp Thinking, sign up. Head to CrispThinking.com where you'll find opportunities in online moderation for brands and businesses. Flexible. Crisp offers roles that can fit different schedules. Let's look at a couple of moderators who've made good money. 1. Amanda Stone. Amanda earns around $1,500 monthly in 2021 moderating fan pages for brands on Facebook. 2. Mark Bryant. Mark moderates gaming communities, earning $2,000 a month in 2023, working with Crisp Thinking. Step-by-step guide to start online moderation. Step 1. Create profiles on eModeration and Crisp Thinking. Step 2. Highlight any experience in community management or customer service. Step 3. Apply to niche groups where you have an interest or expertise. Online moderation is perfect for social media-savvy individuals who want to keep communities positive and safe. Plus, it's flexible and easy to do remotely. All right, now that we've covered 5 solid online jobs, let's talk about making it sustainable. The key to building a steady online income isn't just relying on one job, but combining several roles that complement each other. Here's how you can do it. Combine jobs for a stable income. Instead of relying on just one role, think about combining 2 or 3. For example, you might work as a freelance writer and a virtual assistant. This way, you'll have a buffer if one job slows down, and you can avoid the ups and downs that often come with freelance work. Example. Let's say you start with freelance writing and graphic design. You're already building skills that complement each other, plus you're creating different income streams. By having both, you're earning steadily. If writing jobs dry up, you've still got design clients and vice versa. Here's another tip. 1. Plan your hours. Having multiple jobs means balancing them carefully. Block time for each role, and if possible, find projects that have similar deadlines or time zones. This can help you stay organized and avoid overwhelm. 2. Managing remote work challenges. Remote work has its perks, but it also comes with challenges like time management and productivity. Here's how you can handle those like a pro. Use tools like Trello and Asana. These tools are lifesavers for staying organized. Trello helps you create boards for each project, and Asana lets you break tasks into smaller steps. Use these to keep track of deadlines and daily goals. Set up a dedicated workspace. A good workspace can make all the difference. If possible, create a spot that's free from distractions and stocked with everything you need, like headphones, chargers, and a good chair. Take breaks using the Pomodoro technique. This technique involves working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. It's simple, but helps you stay fresh and productive throughout the day. 3. Long-term growth. As you grow in each role, consider raising your rates or taking on higher-paying clients. Gaining experience and building a portfolio means you can move on to bigger projects and better income. In the online job world, your income can be as diverse as your skills. Combining a few roles and maintaining a flexible mindset can help you build not just income, but financial stability and independence. We've gone through 5 online jobs paying $15 or more per hour in 2024, and tips on combining them to create a reliable income stream. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-making tips, and drop a comment on which job you're most excited to try. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos that can help you level up your income. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with one small step. So pick a job, sign up, and start earning. See you in the next video.